the assignment, weekly assignment, which we have forwarded in the group, right? So talking about that weekly assignment, there were 4 questions in it, and I hope you kids might have solved those by now. I know there is still time left in the week, but I hope आप लोगों को पता भी है कि एक ज्योमेट्री असाइनमेंट ग्रुप में फॉरवर्ड हुआ है आपके. Rishi, there is a geometry assignment which has been sent. नहीं, it is related to chapter 7. घाटकोपर का जो ग्रुप होगा राजिन, जहां पे आपका लेक्चर्स का लिंक पोस्ट होता है, उसी ग्रुप पे यूजुअली असाइनमेंट्स भी पोस्ट होते हैं, राइट? सो if assignments have not been posted, I can see DN Nagar and Ghatkopar kids are saying that they have not received any assignments. So I would talk to the respective center heads. Rather, I would request the kids as well to request the center heads. DN Nagar, you may put a request to Sashikant sir, and Ghatkopar kids may request either Neha ma'am or Gulam sir, right? They'll post it. Yeah, as of now, I'm talking about chapter 7 ka assignment, children. So chapter 7 ke assignment mein there were 4 questions, and I hope everybody has understood those 4 questions. In case any help is needed, please let me know, because I believe second, third, and fourth question were so very simple that you people just needed to plot points. That's it. And I believe plotting the points sabhi ko aata hai coordinate geometry mein, right? No, if you don't have the chapter in this current exams or future exams, you don't have to do it. I don't have the assignment right now with me. I can try to share. Just give me a moment. But then the assignment would be forwarded. Don't worry. The kid who requested me to, forward it. पहला question कुछ इस तरीके से था. Draw graphs of the following equations, right? So Arman, you can just ignore it. But then Arman, I'll tell you what. Chapter 9 is important with respect to our 10 standard. So you may just attend to understand the concept, right? Yeah. Draw graphs of the following equation. तो पहला equation जो था वो था x plus y is equal to 2. तो वहां पर आपको एक टेबल ड्रॉ करना होता है, समथिंग लाइक दिस, राइट? x plus y is equals to 2. You have to draw a table. जैसे आप देख सकते हो, x का वैल्यू 1 लिया है. I've substituted x का वैल्यू 1 here in the equation. 1 plus y is equals to 2. So y is equals to, ये जो 1 था राइट हैंड साइड में गया, 2 minus 1 which is 1. That is the reason x comma y. Sorry, the images went blur. I don't know how to unblur it now. Yeah, it's done. So as you can see, this is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 0, 3 comma minus 1, right? And likewise, there were other 3 questions jahan pe sirf plotting karna tha. So I won't be discussing those. Right, right. क्या है? Yes, sir, teacher has told us. Riya, I'll be continuing with chapter number 9. Just to update you, what we were doing is we were discussing the weekly assignment, which was posted in the group, right? Geometry का जो weekly assignment group में post हुआ था, वो हम लोग discuss कर रहे थे. So we are done with that because there was nothing major in it. Now I'll just continue ahead with the sums. So I would like to talk about question number 4 from practice set 9.1. So practice set 9.1, right? Question number 4. Total surface area of a cube is 5400 square centimeter. So total surface area, and we are talking about a cube, children. So total surface area of a cube का value is given to us as 5400 square centimeter. No, it's not a new lesson. Chapter 9 जो हमने last time start किया था, इस बार continue कर रहा हूँ, right? Find the surface area of all vertical faces of the cube. So we need to find vertical surface area. Surface area of vertical faces is nothing but vertical surface area, right, children? So the question is, how do we find vertical surface area? The formula for vertical surface area of a cube is, can anybody help me here? What is the formula? Vertical surface area of a cube. Perfect. So it is, yeah, 4 into side square, right? Now, in order to find vertical surface area, children, you might have noticed that we first need to find the side, or side ढूंढने के लिए we have been provided with total surface area of a cuboid का value. So total surface area of a cuboid का formula is nothing but 6 into side square, or you may put it as L square, right? अब TSA का value we all know is 5400 is equals to 6 into L square. And I hope you all can do the further calculation. ये 6 को यहाँ पर shift करना है. Then you have to divide and take square root in order to find L. और एक बार L मिल गया आप लोगों को. Once you know what L is, let's say that is our equation 1, we can very easily find, vertical surface area, which is 4L square. So that's it. 4 into जो भी L का value होगा यहाँ पे substitute हो जाएगा. I hope you all kids can do it, right? So just go ahead, copy this much. Let me know what the answer is. Length is 30, right? (900) is equals to L square, taking square root. This is 30 centimeter. Right, and once you've got L as 30, now since this is area, it has to be centimeter square and not just centimeter, right? Right. I hope everybody is done with this sum. Yes. To move ahead, I would like to talk about problem set 9 का question number 5. Right? Problem set 9, question number 5. It says total surface area of a cube is 864 centimeter square. Find its volume. So once again, volume का cube का formula, right? We are talking about a cube. Cube का volume is L cube, side cube. That means in order to find volume, we first need to find side. और side ढूंढने के लिए फिर से total surface area का value दिया है. Just like previous sum, we have to deal with this sum. Instead of vertical surface area, यहाँ पे volume दिया है. So find it, let me know what the answer is. Be very quick. Uh, L is 12 centimeter. That is correct. Those kids who haven't understood can just refer this. Right? Volume of Q is LQ, which is 12Q. I don't know what the final answer is. It has to be centimeter cube. Yeah, correct, Kaushiki. 1728. It is 1728 centimeter cube. Since it is, yeah, Tirth, I'm able to read your messages. Right? So 1728. I'll just write it once again. 1728. Right? That is the answer for volume. Right. Now we will talk about this figure, which is cylinder. Right. Hope everybody has finished with the sum. Right. Okay, Samra has not finished. Yes, Sai, I am able to read your messages, child. So here is the sum. The kid who wants to copy, be very quick or take a screenshot. Can you please show the first lines of the sum? So here are the first lines, children. Yeah, Kaushiki, the entire chapter is based on formulas. You are correct. Formulas by heart करो तभी सम्स आएगा एंड कैलकुलेशन तभी आएगा जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे. सो देर आर टू basics which you need to work on with respect to this topic: formulas, and for calculation it is practice. Request the center heads to keep a paper on chapter 5. We have not yet had a test on this chapter. Yeah, I'll do that, don't worry. Chapter 5 के ऊपर एक पेपर very soon you'll have it, right? Quadrilaterals, it's quite a big chapter. तो अभी से पढ़ाई चालू कर दो. मे बी नेक्स्ट वीक या उसके नेक्स्ट वीक में आई विल जस्ट प्लेस अ टेस्ट related to that, right? Yeah. So cylinder. Examples related to a cylinder, this pen or the bottle, right? We have our UT next to next week, sir. Right, उसके पहले मैं रखवा दूंगा, don't worry. Gas cylinder, wood block, and so many things. Candle जो होता है cylindrical in shape, right? So I'll just draw a cylindrical structure here. Now, children, this cylindrical structure has how many surfaces? Yeah, battery is also cylindrical in shape. Ankita says tomorrow we have geometry exam, right? It has 3 surfaces, right? One is top circular face, ऊपर की तरफ जो circular face होता है, right? One is bottom circular surface, and the third one जो ये वाला surface आपको दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पर. This surface is nothing but curved surface area, right? So there are 3 surfaces, one curved surface. Yeah, if we cut it like this, it will become a rectangle, definitely. एक rectangle को अगर आप likewise fold कर दो vice versa, तो it will become a cylinder. To be precise, a open cylinder, right? So this is the radius, right? And this is the height. Definitely the angle between them has to be 90 degrees, right? So there are few, let's say aspects, few formulas which we need to take care of. I'll just directly write them down. Curved surface area, the abbreviation for same is CSA, right? Is nothing but 2 pi r h, right? The next formula which I want you all to remember is total surface area, which is 2 pi r plus h, right? And at last is volume. Volume is nothing but, sorry, not 2, pi r square h. So these are the 3 formulas which I want you all to remember with respect to a cylinder. Likewise, I would also like to discuss about cone itself now here. I'll tell you the reason behind that. The formulas are pretty much, related by a trick. So that is how a cone looks like. Ice cream cone, agar ice cream khaya ho cone wala, to yeah, birthday cap, volcano and all, yeah, it has 2 surfaces, correct. One is curved surface and the other one is circular flat surface. Perfect. Again, it has a radius as dimension. It has a height as well as, children, there is one more dimension here, which is slant height. ये जो L मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है, it is nothing but slant height, right? Yeah, slant height. Now, if you see here, observe here, this angle is 90 degree. I can see a right angle triangle. And whenever we talk about a right angle triangle, there is this theorem which we can always apply, right? Yeah, Daniel, I'll do that. Let me complete this first, right? Pythagoras theorem. So applying Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse side square, which is L square, will be equal to r square plus h square. Just I'll do that as of now. Let me complete cone. L square is equals to r square plus h square. So that is the first equation which I expect you kids to remember related to a cone. Now the other 3 formulas, curved surface area, I won't write down the full form here. Yeah. Total surface area, and at last the volume. I'll give you a trick here. How did you get the height? Which height, child? This height? अभी तक मिला नहीं है, हम लोग सिर्फ फॉर्मूला रिलेट कर रहे हैं. कौशिक, दिस इज अ परपेंडिकुलर हाइट, जो कि एक लाइन नहीं होता है एक्चुअल लाइफ में. It is a imaginary line right from the vertex, let's say at the center of the circle. Right, Kaushiki? Yes, Ayush, you have to write it, but later on, let me complete it first, right? So I'll help you here to relate the formulas. There is a trick, right? You need to remove this 2 from the formula and h को आपको l बना देना है. So if you remove 2 and instead of h you write l, the formula will become pi r l, right? The same trick, children, you have to use it here. See, the difference between area and volume is very small. बहुत छोटा सा difference है. Area is a two-dimensional concept for space, and volume is a three-dimensional concept for space. मतलब अगर एक page, I'll just zoom out here. There is a child who asked difference between volume and area. अगर मैं एक पेज के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, then I cannot talk about volume because यहाँ पे volume है नहीं. It is all about area because the thickness here is not considerable. बहुत कम thickness है. Even if I consider 2 pages like this, अभी भी thickness considerable नहीं है. मतलब thickness अगर कुछ इतना हो जाए, let's say 2-3 books के जितना, then the height, the thickness is considerable, and by default the concept area now changes and becomes volume. Both of them are nothing but space occupied by the object. See, in real life, there are no 4-dimensional objects, to be precise, right? There are only 3-dimensional objects. हाँ, कंप्यूटर में काफी चीजें पॉसिबल है. 4th dimensional जो थिएटर में आप लोग बोलते हो 4D, it is the vibration which we experience or the winds which we experience. So ऐसा 4D करके as such ज्योमेट्री में कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट होता नहीं है. Yeah. टोटल सरफेस एरिया के लिए द ट्रिक चिल्ड्रन इज वंस अगेन द सेम. 2 को निकाल दो और h के बदले l लिखो. सो इट विल बिकम पाई आर आर प्लस l. सो इफ यू नो फॉर्मूला फॉर सिलेंडर, राइट, CSA एंड TSA का, तो यू कैन वेरी इजीली डिराइव फॉर्मूला फॉर कोन, राइट, इवन इफ यू फॉरगेट इन एग्जाम. अब वॉल्यूम का यू कैन नॉट रिमूव दिस 2 क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 है ही नहीं, और h को l भी नहीं करना है. Rather, you know what? Volume of cone is 1/3 the volume of cylinder. Cylinder का 1/3 है volume of cone, right? So I want you kids to copy this much. I hope you all know how the cylinder looks like. So I'm not displaying the figure. Give the heading as cylinder, draw the figure, and copy this formulas. Cone के लिए there are 4 formulas. अच्छा, this formula is basically an equation. To be precise, Pythagorean equation, right? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से जो इक्वेशन बनता है वो. Yeah, few kids have already finished. Waiting for all the other kids to acknowledge so that I can move ahead with the next sum. Mani, Tirth, and there was one more child who said finished. Rahul sir sends me the timetable every day. I'm not included in any group. Is there any group on? I believe no. Then Razin, request Rahul sir for the assignments. He'll send it to you. Or ask him if there is any group, he'll just add, or whatever it is, he'll just guide you. Don't worry. Which equation? This? Yes, this equation is used in sums and it is needed in exams as well. So आपको equation भी by heart करना है. Right? Yeah. Moving on to the sums now. I believe you must have finished. In case any kid haven't finished, kindly take a screenshot. I'll be just counting 5. Sir, can you conduct an exam of all chapters onward the 4th as they are in our syllabus? Definitely, I'll do that. I'll just put on a question paper. ठीक है? तो जो बच्चों का होगा, they can attempt accordingly. This equation does not has any name. It is a Pythagorean equation, to be precise. Pythagoras theorem से जो equation मिलता है वो. So it is kind of relation between slant height, radius, and height. What is the purpose of this formula? अगर हमको दो एलिमेंट्स का वैल्यू पता है, व्हेन आई से एलिमेंट्स इट कैन बी एनी टू एलिमेंट्स, रेडियस और स्लांट हाइट पता है, आई कैन फाइंड हाइट, रेडियस और हाइट पता है, आई कैन फाइंड स्लांट हाइट, राइट? Yeah. So moving on to the next sum. Let's say we talk about question 7, practice set 9.1. So practice set 9.1, question number 7, right? Radius of base of a cylinder is 20. So there is a cylinder. You don't have to draw the figure. I'm just drawing it for reference purpose. The radius is how much, children? 20 centimeter, and we are talking about a cylinder, right? Height is 13 centimeter. Find its curved surface area and total surface area. You cannot use the abbreviations in exams, right? बाद में बोलना मत marks cut हो गए. अच्छा, pi का value has been given to us as 3.14. So now let us substitute the formulas and get the answers, right? I hope you kids can do that. Yeah, please go ahead. If pi ka value is not given, Razin, there are two options which you can select. दोनों बेसिकली सेम ही है. पाई का वैल्यू होता है 22/7, जिसको अगर आप डिवाइड करने गए 7 1s एंड व्हाटएवर यू विल गेट द आंसर इज 3.14. तो आप ये लो कि ये लो, कुछ ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, पॉइंट के बाद थोड़ा बहुत फर्क गिरता है, राइट? टेक्निकली वी यूज दिस, बट लेट से अगर कैलकुलेशन इनटू 100 कहीं पे है तो मैं ये वाला यूज करूंगा. सो इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन हाउ द कैलकुलेशन इज. अगर कैलकुलेशन में कोई ऐसा नंबर है जो 7 से डिविजिबल है, आई विल यूज 22/7. कैलकुलेशन में कोई ऐसा नंबर है जो इंटू 100 आ रहा है, आई विल यूज दिस एज पाई का वैल्यू. या कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ सिलेंडर इज 2 pi r h. 2 इंटू, यहाँ पे पाई का वैल्यू 3.14 ही बोला है तो वही लेना पड़ेगा कंपल्सरीली, इंटू द रेडियस इज 20 into h, which is 13. We just have to multiply them and get the answer. I hope you kids can do that, right? And then there is this total surface area, जिसका formula लिख देता हूँ 2 pi r ब्रैकेट में r plus h. I hope all the kids know कि ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो है सबसे पहले उसको सॉल्व किया जाता है, right? Priorities are given to the bracket first, then multiplication, division, and then plus minus. 2 into 3.14 is 6.28 into 20 into 30. 20 into 6.28. या 0 निकल जाएगा. 2 8 जा 16, 2 2 जा 4 plus 1 5, 6 जा 12. So 125.6 into 13. That is supposed to be our final answer, and that would be centimeter square. 1632.8, correct. Go ahead and find total surface area. सर ओ कैसे गया, 0 कैसे गया? See, when you multiply 10 or 100 with a number which has a decimal in it, तो into 10 किया तो ये पॉइंट राइट में शिफ्ट होता है. द आंसर इज 25. अच्छा, 2.5 into 100 किया तो डेसिमल क्योंकि 2 0 है तो 2 बार जंप करेगा तो 250 हो जाता है. सो दैट इज द रीजन व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई इट विद 0, दैट इज 10. तो पॉइंट एक बार से जंप किया मतलब सिर्फ उसके बाद एक डिजिट आएगा, हेंस द पॉइंट इज हियर. तो 2 into 6.28 is this. The kid who asked 0 किधर गया? Yeah, Royins has got the answer 4144.8. 4144.8. Hope all the kids have got the same thing. You need to substitute and then solve it, right? In case any kid is facing, uh, yeah, it's the whole page, child. Almost the whole page, yeah. I haven't calculated total surface area here. If, sir, when there is a number greater than 5 after the decimal, no. If there is a number at the third digit after the decimal के बाद जो थर्ड डिजिट होता है, अगर वहां पर 5 या 5 से ग्रेटर है तो राउंड ऑफ करके यहाँ पे +1 होता है, और 5 से छोटा है तो इग्नोर करते हैं. सो इट हैज टू बी द थर्ड डिजिट. फर्स्ट और सेकेंड डिजिट को कुछ नहीं होता है. यार आजिन, यू मे स्टार्ट विद सम नंबर 8. I hope all the kids have finished the calculation here. Any kid who needs my help, please inform, or else I'll move to question number 8. I'll just count till 5. If there is any help you want me to wait, whatever it is, just, yeah, Josh has requested me to solve it, and there is Ronin who has requested me to solve it. See, it is quite simple. I'll just solve it here, if that is fine. 2 into 3.14 into the radius, children, is 20. ब्रैकेट में आएगा 20 प्लस हाइट का वैल्यू इज 13. सो सबसे पहले वी सॉल्व द ब्रैकेट. Okay, 2 into 3.14 is 6.28. 6.28 into 20, we have multiplied it is 125.6. No, we cannot use 22 upon 7. You lose mark because question में clearly 3.14 specified. So we already know 2 into 3.14 into 20 is nothing but 125.6. So directly इसका value 125.6 लिखा है, and this is what? 33. So you just have to multiply 125.6 with 33. You will get the answer. Now if you want the multiplication as well, वो भी आप मुझे बताओ, वो भी मैं कर दूंगा. Right? I hope you kids can manage the multiplication. Sir, can you say the question number? कब से सॉल्व कर रहे हैं हम लोग जश, और तू अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर पूछ रहा है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. कहाँ था जश? वेयर वर यू? यू वर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन, आई गेस देन. Right. In case still the student haven't finished, I request you to take a screenshot. तो जश अगर 3G इंटरनेट है तो यू कैन देन अल्टीमेटली काइंड ऑफ वॉच द रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर. Yeah, sum number 8. It says curved surface area of a cylinder. So once again we are talking about a cylinder जिसका curved surface area is 1980 centimeter square है. Radius of its base is 15 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder. Pi ka value has been given to us as 22 upon 7 this time. Right? Yeah. The kid has already got answer for height. So solution, क्योंकि curved surface area given है, I'll talk about curved surface area of a cylinder, 2 pi r h. Curved surface area का value children is 1980. Yeah, that is correct. 1980. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 15 into h, right? Now I can see 7 is not divisible by 2 nor 15, so I'll have to shift everybody on the other side in order to keep h alone. And alone इसलिए क्योंकि h का value ढूंढना है. So keeping h alone, right? 1980 already left hand side पर था. जो denominator में होता है, when we shift it on the other side, it goes in the numerator, right? And जो numerator में होता है, that goes in the denominator. Now you can just divide both of them by 11. Just a small hint here to all the kids. Sorry, I missed out 15. I'll just place 15 here. Thank you. I missed out 15. Yeah. Right. Just a small hint here, children. 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. ऐसा कुछ भी नंबर अगर आपको दिखता है न्यूमरेटर या डिनोमिनेटर में और उसके ऑपोजिट एंड पर देयर इज अ बिग नंबर, बिलीव मी वो हमेशा 11 के टेबल में जाएगा, राइट? सो 11 टू जा, ओके, 19 के ऊपर फोकस करते हैं. 11 वन जा 11. So 19 minus 11, what is left is 8. 88. And this is 0, right? 2 ones are 2 90s are 2 ones are 45s are. So I'll just write down the left out part. 45 into 7 upon 15 is equal to h. हाँ, into 7 मिस कर दिया राजीन आपने, right? 15 ones are 15 threes are is 45. We all know 3 sevens are is nothing but 21 centimeter. That's our answer, right? So you can just copy the sum. Wow, Shruti has already finished it. Soham too. Okay. What to do next? The next exercise, child. All right. So we move on to the next exercise now. Practice set 9.2. Right. Question number 1. Perpendicular height of a cone is 12 centimeter. So the height is 12 centimeter and we are talking about a cone here. Its slant height is 13. Slant height is denoted by L, 13 centimeter. Find the radius is the question. So children, tell me, is there a formula which relates slant height and the radius? What is that relation? Yeah, the Pythagorean equation, the Pythagoras theorem wala equation, which is L square is equals to R square plus H square, right? So L का value is 13. R का value we do not know that, and H का value is 12, right? 13 का square 169 This is 144. You can just subtract, take a square root. Yeah, Samina, that is correct. I hope you kids can do the further part. Finish it off. Yes. Hey, result 15 नहीं आएगा, 5 आएगा. Yes, Soham, it is 5. Hope you have written this taking square roots. Sir, I got my answer as 5 centimeter. Is it correct? Yes, Prakti. It's written on the screen as well. Yeah, you can put the final answer as therefore the radius of the base of the cone is 5 centimeter. That I assume you kids can do it. Yes, Razel, you can do the second sum. So here is the second sum from second exercise. It says find the volume of a cone. So we need to find volume of a cone. Achha, we all know volume of a cone ka formula is 1 upon 3 pi r square h, right? So in order to find volume, we need to find radius and height. Let us see what all things are given to us here. If the total surface area of the cone is 7128 square centimeter and radius of the base is 28 centimeter, pi is 22 upon 7. So children, it is clearly visible cone का value ढूंढने के लिए radius तो पता है, pi भी पता है. The only thing which is not known is the height. Correct? Volume ढूंढना है तो. So in order to find the volume, we first need to find the height. अब height ढूंढने के लिए total surface area का value given है. And hence I'll be talking about formula of total surface area of a cone, which is pi r plus L, right? Now, when I substitute the values, children, what I realize is, let us first substitute the values. 7128 is equals to pi ka value 22 upon 7 into r ka value 28 ब्रैकेट में 28 प्लस आई डू नॉट नो एल का वैल्यू, स्लांट हाइट का वैल्यू नहीं पता. दैट मीन्स इवन आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस, पूरा सॉल्व करने के बाद भी मुझे हाइट का वैल्यू मिलेगा या स्लांट हाइट का वैल्यू मिलेगा? किसका वैल्यू मिलेगा? राइट, स्लांट हाइट. परफेक्ट. So that means after solving, we'll be able to find slant height ka value, whatever it is. Now this slant height and this radius, we know them. Hence, we can use the Pythagorean equation, Pythagoras theorem, right? L square is equals to R square plus H square. जहां पे आप L का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे, R का वैल्यू 28 है and H का वैल्यू we need to find it, right? तो L का वैल्यू यहां पर सब्स्टिट्यूट होगा, जो भी होगा यहां पर, that will substitute and we'll be able to find H का वैल्यू. Children, once we know H ka value, is it difficult to find volume? No, we can do that, right? So I've given you the flow of the sum. I want you all to go ahead step by step. First, try and find out slant height. Slant height मिल जाता है तो height ढूंढो और height मिल जाता है तो volume ढूंढो. Right? So here is the sum right in front of you. Okay, Parth. Maybe some internet fluctuation. Not sure about that. I believe you kids know 7 and 28 can be divided, right? 7 ones are 7. Correct. 4s are. 4 into 22 is 88. So 7128 is equals to 88 into 28 plus L. Now I'll just shift this 88 on the other side. So 7128 upon 88 is equals to 28 plus L, right? 11 8s are 11, 6 are 66 होता है, right? 4 and 1 5 52. So 11 4s are 44, 8, and that is 8. So it is like 648, right? So I'll just jot it down here. 648 upon 8 is equals to 28 plus L. So 8 ones are 8 8s are 64, right? 8 ones are 8. So 81 minus 28. I don't have space here, so I'll just write it down here. I hope you people are okay with that. 81 minus 28 will be nothing but L, right? So 81 minus 28 is, I believe, 53, correct? Yes. So L ka value, we have got it as 53. We substitute L here, 53 square. Acha, you can just square 53, or you can shift 28 on the other side. That will make it minus 28 square. What I can see here, children, is an algebraic equation, a square minus b square, which can be written as a minus b into a plus b, right? So 23 minus 28 is, sorry, 53 minus 28. Hmm. Sorry, 25. 53 plus 28 is 81. So children, what we realize here is 25 and 81, both of them are perfect squares, right? So taking square root at this particular step, right? 25 का स्क्वायर रूट लिया तो क्या हो जाएगा 5. 81 का स्क्वायर रूट क्या हो जाएगा 9. So the ultimate answer, I'll just put taking square root here. Taking square root, right? 5 nines are 45. So we have got h ka value as 45. Once Suzanne is saying that my screen is blur, is it, children? All the kids are saying a no. Suzanne, must be some internet fluctuation at your end, child. And Ronwin as well. Ronwin, आपके यहाँ पे भी नेट इशू होगा शायद, right? Okay, anyways, we have got LS 53, HS 45, and now we are good to find the volume. Volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 22 upon 7 into the radius is 28 and the h is 45. So 28 square into 45 from equation 2, right? 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into, can I write this 28 square as 28 into 28, right? 7 ones are 7 fours are 3 ones are 3 15s are. So now you just have to multiply them. It is like 88 into 28 into 15. Multiply them and you get the answer, whatever it is. Since it is volume, it has to be centimeter cube. 36960 is the answer. Few kids have already got. I believe that is correct. Yeah. Hope you kids have understood the sum. Any kid who haven't, please. कहाँ पर है? हाँ तो मैंने 22 को मल्टीप्लाई किया ना बेटा. 22 into 4 is 88. Then 28 is here, 15 is here. So 22 is not remaining. 22 has been multiplied with 4 and has become 88. Yeah, I'll show the first page to all the kids who are requesting it. So here is the first page. Kindly copy it. Let me know once you are done. Yeah, this is 648. In case if any kid needs it. 648. 11 8s are 11 648s are. Yeah, I'll show the second page as well. Don't worry. So, in case if any kid is still copying, I would request the kid to take a screenshot. I'll just count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here is the next page. Yeah, so children, the next sum here with which we'll be dealing is, let's say, question number 5. Hope you kids have finished copying, right? Yes, sir, right. So question number 5, volume of a cone is 6280 cubic centimeter यानी centimeter cube. Base radius of the cone is 30 centimeter. Find its perpendicular height and pi ka value is 3.14 given to us in the question. So we are interested in height and we are talking about a cone. Cone के लिए volume का formula is 1/3 pi r square h. So in order to find h, we know the radius. That's it. We just have to use this formula and the sum would be done. Right? So volume is 1/3 pi r square h. Volume का value 6280. 1/3 pi का value 3.14 into r का value is 30 and square है into h is what we need to find. Right? Therefore, 6280 is equals to 1/3 into. Now, if I remove the decimal, can I write it as 314/100? क्योंकि decimal के बाद 2 digits थे. तो निकाला था upon 100 into this can be written as 900, 30 into 30 h. Now in order to find h, right, in order to find h, we have to keep it alone and shift everybody on the other side. But before we shift, as Soham says, 0 0 जो है वो कट हो जाएगा, right? 3 1s are 3 3s are. So you can shift 3 1 4 and 3 which are there in the numerator in the denominator. So the sum, children, will look something like this. H is equal to 6280. 6280 is in the numerator upon 3 into 314. Hope you kids have understood this. Right? ये स्टेप सबको समझ में आया? Perfect. अच्छा, 314 का डबल is 628. So it is like 314 ones are 314 ones are 314 twos are is 628 और आगे जीरो है तो यहाँ पे जीरो लिखा 20s are, right? Yeah. So H, if you calculate, it has to be 6.6666 ऐसा रिकरिंग आते जाता है, right? But you know there is this rule for third digit. If it is equal to or greater than 5, right? तो एक +1 होता है उसके previous digit में. Therefore, height will be 6.6. ये जो 6 था +1 होकर के 7 centimeter. That has to be the final answer. Hope you kids have finished it. Anyone who's still copying, kindly let me know. By the way, in textbook, the answer which is written behind the textbook is wrong. It has been given to us as 15 centimeter. That is wrong. It has to be 6.67 centimeter. अच्छा, आंसर 15 आने के लिए आपको इधर वैल्यूज चेंज करना पड़ेगा. So we better stick with the values being provided and we get the answer as 6.65. Right? Yeah, that's absolutely okay, Sakshi. If you understand कि यहाँ से यहाँ पर directly ये आंसर है, you can write it directly. ये मैं इसलिए लिख रहा हूँ ताकि सब बच्चों को clearly समझ में आए. There is only one some homework. There is a child who is requesting me to leave. I would just let you know the homework. Practice set 9.2 का question number 3. That's it. This is the only sum which I've given it as homework for today. Right? Thank you so much and God bless you all. Bye. Yeah, Suzanne, if this number is smaller than 5, you just ignore it और second last जो digit होता है उसको +1 करने का जरूरत नहीं है. You'll write the answer as 6.66. अगर वो 5 से छोटा है तो. The homework is written here. Practice at 9.2 question 3. Right? Yeah. God bless you.